warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gali Budi Teranto. I am from SMA Kamala Bayangkari 1 Surabaya. I am from class 11 Science 3. Number absent 10. Giving opinion. Social media has a lot of disadvantages more than the advantages. My opinion does not agree because social media has some weakness and strength. The advantage of using social media is that it can add information quickly. It can communicate over long distances. Weakness in using social media. Children become lazy to learn.